Test 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. Come on. Test 1, 2, 3. Testing the volume. Test 1, 2, 3. Testing the volume. Perfect. Okay. All right, here we go. Ooh, we got this little down trend line here. I would keep an eye on. It's on the 15-minute chart. If we break that, that usually means a pretty good move to the upside. We've got the bottom of the bull zone, which is around 54, 55. It's a pivot, so that's kind of the idea. If we drop below that, the next pivots or the next areas are around 68, 968, and then 767. This is a prior value area, another prior value area, which also lines up with our bear target too. So this would probably have some pretty good support, I would guess. Yep, going back probably too far than I can see. So here's the midnight open. I would not be surprised to move, if we did move up and moved up and tagged that, would not be surprised. But we're pretty weak. We're down, what are we down? 163 points already. So it could be just that it's a down day, but we'll see. I don't know. I'll play what they give me. All right, I'm going to get rid of my... It's going to be a little noisy here. I got people leaving early this morning, so we'll see how it goes. We'll see how my volume works today. Looks like it's working okay. Chat. I have the chat, but I can't respond. So let me add chat back in here. Just a minute. I'll just say good morning. I currently cannot do that on my little box that I can see, but I want to see if I can see any text this morning. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, it's a slow one. Huh. Okay. All right. So we've got another, a guy could probably put another trend line, something like this. I would have done something like that. You could be a little more conservative and do something like that. Maybe bring him down. I'd like to get that one incorporated. Hold on 1 second.
Oh, hey, I got one thing for you to take.
I will be right back. I've got actually something I need to send to Oregon. I'll be right back. All right. Whew. That was close. How much time do I got left? 25. Still got 5 minutes. Okay. Oh, what happened to my little window? Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh, kidding me. Well, that's not going to work. Oh well. Gonna have to miss the chat. All right, there's a little move up. All right, I got the pre-high-low 2-minute, which is playing out right now. Hopefully it's not going to be too big, but 90 up to 20. It's starting to get there. And then I'll play the inside plays later today. All right, SPY pre-market low is SPY's pre-market low is 666.75 roughly. A drop below that and could get interesting. I would probably have to switch over to my hour chart. Well, actually 666.23 is the next support area. And then 663.34 is the next one up to about 81, 663.81. So let me draw those in now just so I have them. Good morning. I'll get to that chat in a minute. Actually, I'll just put that one on and I'll put a horizontal line right there just because it's small. So I won't even do anything until we drop 666.27. That'll kind of be my game plan. Drop the pre-market low, then drop that 27, then Bob's your uncle, and we could come all the way down to 664. Good morning. Okay. All right, so now we're on the 2-minute bar right now. Well, this, yep, right here, this guy. Disregard this little guy for right now. I'll explain a little bit later. And there we go. I'm all set up, I think. I'm actually going to bring this over here. That would be much better. All right. All right, let's get some coffee. You got 30 seconds. Everything's, all my little do-diggies are set up based on 3. Today's not a bad day to play. All right. We just started, got taken out. Whoa. So 96. Wow, just all kinds of noises today. Okay. Well, got taken out. 96, yep. We just dropped through the bull zone. Coming maybe back up to retest this trend line right there. See if that was just to get people to go short, or we're going to continue on down. We'll find out. Ooh, ugly. Okay, I'm going to be a little patient now. Back up to the top there. Move up, a move down. That would be the entry, but oh man, the stop on that baby is big. But it looks like it's going to work. Yeah. A lot of movement here. All right, SPY came down to that support area that I had at 666.27, pretty close to it. Looks like it wants to fail it. Come on, baby, hurry up. Trying to get my phone set up real quick. All right, I do like the short below 54. No, right there. All right, I'm going to try right here if we come back down. Get it up a little higher. And if it doesn't come down, then I don't want to be in it. Come on, a little further. Let's go. There we go. Trying to lock in 20 if I can get there. 36. All right. Close enough. I'll take that if I can get it. Sucker. Tried to get out. There we go. Beautiful. I'll lock some of that in. Okay, beautiful. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Take me out, baby. There we go. How was that? Huh? You don't like that? I don't know what to tell you. Sorry, I'm locking in some SPY puts that I got. That was a quick 20 points. I love that. All right. That was beautiful. It doesn't get much better than that. Nice little short. Recoup my losses. Up 400. Oh, this one actually locked itself out. So, but he ended up with 409. I got a $50 thing, so it had to get up to 550 and then lock itself out. And by the time it closed, it only closed at 400. Not good. But that's the way it goes. Okay, beautiful play. Just beautiful. Good short right off the bull zone. The short of that, there was an entry here. Here's another entry here if you wanted it. In fact, I'll take that on another account. Sell stop. And target on this guy is at 925. 925. 925. I'm going to go ahead and take one off. And I'll wait for 925. All right, I got another count that's going. He just got taken out. Took that target. I took that entry there. Bam, bam. That was a nice little 25 pointer. Oh, don't you just love it? Beautiful. That's the way we like it. All right. Well, I'm kind of done. So I can't play anymore. All right, I got another play. Hold on. Let me click restore. Get all my accounts back in there, and I will turn you off and you off. Oops. You off and you off. Leave you on. And let's see. 1 second here. Oh. Okay, there's that one. I'm trying to figure out. Here, I'll just use this one. Okay, and he'll be off. And let's just get rid of. I'm gonna get rid of everything except for that one account. There we go. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna turn this guy off. I'll put these guys on. I'll monitor it right over here. 5 minute. All right, just doing a little bit of house cleaning. All right. I am loading up a 5-minute chart so I can keep an eye on the inside play. Okay. I think I did. Here, I'll just use this. There we go. All right, so we got a little stutter step or a little 1 minute flag, 2 minute flag, depending on how you look at it. Potential. And oh, that's why I can't do that. Dip. Okay, so we've got. Yep. Okay, just want to make sure my mic is on. All right, just being patient here. Just gonna wait it out, see what happens here. Looking for a move up and then a break back down. And I'll need to see a little bit of conviction with that, with the 1 minute bar or 2 minute bar. Okay, the 2 minute. One trade, 2 trades. Oh, there you go. So he's at 43 points, 2 wins. I could turn him off. I need a little bit bigger move up than that. Wow, my computer, everything's going really slow, just like yesterday. All right, I'm going to close him out. I wonder what the heck is going on. All right, we got